Soaring above the dragon's back, a bird's-eye perspective. Imagine yourself lifted above the earth, the wind whispering tales of centuries past. As you rise higher, the city of Kyoto unfurls beneath you, a living canvas painted with the brushstrokes of history and modernity. The wind carries the scent of cherry blossoms and the distant echo of temple bells, creating a symphony that resonates through time. As you ascend, a panorama unfolds, a tapestry woven from ancient traditions and modern marvels. The skyline is a blend of old and new, where traditional pagodas stand proudly beside contemporary skyscrapers. Each structure tells a story, a chapter in Kyoto's rich and diverse history. Below lies Kyoto, Japan's heart and soul, a city where time dances to its own rhythm. The streets are alive with the footsteps of generations, each step echoing the past while paving the way for the future. The morning light bathes the city in a golden hue, revealing the intricate details of its architecture. From this vantage point, Kyoto resembles a dragon, its long undulating form stretching across the landscape. The city's layout, with its winding streets and flowing rivers, mirrors the graceful curves of a dragon's body, a symbol of power and wisdom in Japanese culture. Temples and shrines, like glittering jewels, adorn its back, their intricate roofs shimmering under the sun's warm gaze. Each temple is a sanctuary of peace, a place where the spirit can find solace amidst the hustle and bustle of city life. The air hums with a vibrant energy, a blend of the past and the present. The streets are a living museum where every corner holds a piece of history and every building tells a story. The energy is palpable, a testament to the city's enduring spirit. The drone's camera captures the bustling streets where ancient wooden houses stand shoulder to shoulder with sleek modern buildings. This juxtaposition creates a unique harmony, a visual representation of Kyoto's ability to honor its past while embracing the future. Kyoto invites you to explore its hidden alleys, to lose yourself in its timeless beauty. These narrow pathways are gateways to another world, where time seems to stand still and the whispers of history can be heard in the rustling leaves and the creaking wooden doors. It beckons you to witness the harmony between nature and human creation, a delicate balance that has endured for over 1,000 years. The lush greenery intertwines with the city's architecture, creating a seamless blend of natural beauty and human ingenuity. This is Kyoto, a city where the past and present coexist in perfect harmony. Ancient echoes, modern rhythms, Kyoto's timeless tapestry. Kyoto is a city of contrasts, a place where ancient traditions seamlessly intertwine with modern life. The cityscape is a mesmerizing blend of old and new, where centuries-old temples stand proudly beside sleek, modern architecture. This juxtaposition creates a unique atmosphere that is both serene and dynamic, offering a glimpse into Japan's rich cultural heritage while embracing contemporary influences. Walking its streets is like stepping back in time, yet with a modern twist. The cobblestone paths and wooden machiya houses transport you to a bygone era, while the bustling markets and trendy boutiques remind you that Kyoto is very much a city of the present. It's a place where you can experience the best of both worlds, seamlessly blending the past and the present. Geishas, their faces adorned with white makeup and their kimonos a riot of color, glide gracefully through the ancient Gion district, their world a captivating blend of tradition and artistry. These skilled performers are the living embodiment of Kyoto's cultural heritage, preserving age-old customs while enchanting visitors with their elegance and poise. The sight of a geisha is a reminder of the city's deep-rooted traditions and the timeless beauty that defines Kyoto. Turn a corner and you're greeted by the sleek lines of a contemporary art museum or the aroma of freshly brewed coffee from a trendy cafe. These modern establishments coexist harmoniously with the city's historical landmarks, offering a diverse range of experiences for both locals and tourists. Whether you're an art enthusiast or a coffee lover, Kyoto has something to offer everyone. Kyoto embraces its heritage while looking towards the future. The city's commitment to preserving its cultural legacy is evident in its well-maintained temples and shrines, which stand as testaments to its storied past. At the same time, Kyoto is a hub of innovation and creativity, constantly evolving and adapting to the changing times. This balance between tradition and modernity is what makes Kyoto truly special. The city's heart beats to the rhythm of tradition, evident in the tea ceremony's precise movements, the delicate art of calligraphy, and the vibrant festivals that paint the streets with color and sound. These cultural practices are not just relics of the past, but living traditions that continue to thrive in modern-day Kyoto. They offer a window into the soul of the city, showcasing its dedication to preserving its cultural identity. Kyoto beckons you to discover its hidden treasures, to unravel the layers of history and culture that make it so unique. From its serene gardens and ancient temples to its bustling markets and contemporary art scenes, Kyoto is a city that invites exploration and discovery. Every corner holds a story, every street a piece of history, waiting to be uncovered by those who seek to experience the magic of Kyoto's timeless tapestry. Kiyomizu-dera, a stage of serenity above the city. Perched high on Otowa Mountain, Kiyomizu-dera Temple stands as a beacon of peace and tranquility. The drone glides closer, revealing the intricate details of its wooden architecture, a testament to the skill of ancient craftsmen. The temple's main hall juts out over the hillside, supported by massive pillars. From this vantage point, known as the Stage of Enlightenment, visitors are treated to breathtaking views of the surrounding forest and the city below. A waterfall cascades down the mountainside, its waters believed to possess healing powers. Visitors line up to drink from its sacred stream, their faces etched with hope and reverence. Kiyomizu-dera is a place of pilgrimage, a place where people come to seek solace, offer prayers, and connect with something larger than themselves. 1,000 torii Fushimi Inari's enigmatic embrace. The drone now soars over a sea of vibrant red, a seemingly endless procession of torii gates winding their way up the wooded slopes of Mount Inari. This is Fushimi Inari Shrine, dedicated to Inari, the Shinto deity of rice and sake. Each torii gate at Fushimi Inari represents an offering, a testament to faith and gratitude. As you walk through the tunnel of gates, you feel a sense of peace and tranquility wash over you. The sunlight filters through the gaps in the gates, casting an ethereal glow on the path ahead. Stone foxes, considered to be Inari's messengers, guard the shrine, their watchful eyes seeming to follow your every move. Fushimi Inari is a place of mystery and enchantment, a place where the spiritual and natural worlds intersect. Section 5, Arashiyama's Symphony in Green, where bamboo whispers. Leaving the city center, the drone takes us west to the Arashiyama district, a place where nature reigns supreme. As we soar above, the bustling cityscape gradually gives way to a serene landscape where the urban noise fades into a distant memory. Here the Arashiyama Bamboo Grove awaits, a mesmerizing forest of towering bamboo stalks that seem to stretch towards the heavens. Each stalk stands tall and proud, creating a natural cathedral of green that invites you to look up and lose yourself in its grandeur. The air is cool and refreshing as you wander through this verdant wonderland, the sunlight dappling the forest floor. The interplay of light and shadow creates a magical atmosphere, where every step reveals a new pattern of nature's artistry. The wind rustles through the bamboo leaves, creating a soothing melody that echoes through the grove. It's a gentle symphony, a natural orchestra that plays a calming tune, inviting you to pause and listen to the whispers of the bamboo. Take a stroll along the Hozugawa River, its gentle current reflecting the surrounding greenery. The river's surface mirrors the lush foliage, creating a seamless blend of water and forest that soothes the soul. Or hop aboard a traditional wooden boat and glide through the heart of the bamboo forest, the boatman's pole rhythmically pushing you along. As you drift, the gentle swaying of the boat and the rhythmic splash of the pole create a meditative experience, connecting you deeply with the natural world around you. Arashiyama is a place to escape the hustle and bustle of city life, a place to reconnect with nature and find solace in its tranquility. Here, amidst the whispering bamboo and serene landscapes, you can leave behind the stresses of modern life and immerse yourself in the timeless beauty of nature. Section 6. The Heart of Tradition, Preserving Kyoto's Cultural Soul. Beyond its iconic landmarks, Kyoto's true beauty lies in its everyday details. The city's cultural heritage is deeply ingrained in its people, its customs, and its way of life. Wander through the Gion district as dusk descends, and you might catch a glimpse of a geisha hurrying to an engagement, her elegant movements a testament to years of training. Step inside a traditional tea house and experience the zen-like tranquility of the tea ceremony, where each gesture is imbued with meaning. Kyoto is a city that cherishes its past, preserving its traditions for generations to come. Section 7. A Culinary Journey, Tasting the Flavors of Kyoto. No trip to Kyoto is complete without indulging in its culinary delights. From Michelin-starred restaurants to humble street food stalls, Kyoto offers a gastronomic adventure for every palate. Savor the delicate flavors of Kyokai-seki, Kyoto's hot cuisine where each dish is a work of art, or warm your soul with a bowl of steaming ramen, its rich broth bursting with flavor. For a taste of Kyoto's sweet side, indulge in matcha-flavored treats, from delicate green tea ice cream to fluffy mochi. Kyoto's culinary scene is a testament to the city's dedication to quality and tradition, where every ingredient is treated with respect. Section 8. Kyoto After Dark. When lanterns illuminate the night. As the sun begins its descent, Kyoto undergoes a magical transformation. Lanterns flicker to life, casting a warm glow on the city's ancient streets. Stroll along the Pontocho alleyway where traditional wooden restaurants spill out onto the cobblestone streets, their lanterns illuminating the night. Visit the Yasaka Shrine, its illuminated structures creating a mystical atmosphere. Or witness the illuminated beauty of Kiyomizu-dera Temple, its wooden architecture bathed in golden light. Kyoto After Dark is a city of enchantment where the past and present merge into a captivating spectacle. Section 9. Discover your Kyoto, an invitation to explore. Kyoto is a city that defies easy categorization. It is a place of endless discovery, where each visit reveals new secrets and hidden gems. Whether you seek spiritual enlightenment, cultural immersion, or simply a chance to escape the ordinary, Kyoto has something to offer everyone. So come, wander its ancient streets, explore its hidden temples, and experience the magic of Kyoto for yourself. Your journey awaits.